Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of connecting your NinjaTrader account to TradingView. If you've ever wanted to unlock powerful charting features while keeping your NinjaTrader broker set up, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get TradingView and NinjaTrader working together. It's easier than you might think, and I'll make sure nothing trips you up along the way. Let's dive in and get you set up. First things first, go ahead and open up TradingView. This might sound basic, but make sure you're logged into your TradingView account that you actually want to use for trading. Sometimes people have a couple of accounts for demo and for live, and you want to be sure you're working with the right one from the very start. Next, take a look at the top of the TradingView page. You'll see a menu with different options such as charts, markets, and products. Go ahead and click on products. Think of this menu like the dashboard to your car. It's where you access all the big features TradingView offers, and in this case, it's your gateway to live trading connectors. Once you've clicked on Products, look for something called the Trading panel. This is where TradingView consolidates all the broker integrations, so you can link your account and start trading directly from the chart. Clicking into the Trading panel can feel a little bit like opening a toolbox. You'll see all sorts of options and broker names here, so take a second to let it load. Now you're going to want to click the button or link labeled All Brokers. This expands the full list of available broker integrations. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes you need to scroll down just a little for it to appear. It's important because the default panel may only show popular or recently used brokers, not the entire lineup. Now here, where things get specific, you'll want to find NinjaTrader in that list. Depending on how many brokers you have displayed, you may need to scroll down through the list. Think of it a bit like skimming the credits of a movie to find your favorite actor. Just take your time until you spot NinjaTrader. Once you find NinjaTrader, go ahead and select it. You might notice the logo appear or the section highlight to confirm your selection. Immediately after, you'll be presented with two options, connecting a live account or a demo account. This is an important moment because choosing here determines whether you're actually placing real trades or just practicing in a risk-free environment. If you're new or just testing your setup, I generally recommend starting with a demo account first. Don't worry, you can always switch to live later. Now it'll prompt you to fill in your NinjaTrader login details. That's your username and password from your NinjaTrader brokerage account. Double-check that you're entering them correctly. It's a small step, but entering the wrong details can lead to some head-scratching later. Once you've got your details in and you're ready, there should be a Connect button to finish things off. Go ahead and click that and give it a moment to process. If everything's correct, you'll see your NinjaTrader account now available from within TradingView, and you'll be ready to start exploring all the features TradingView brings to your trading. And that's it, you're now connected and you can trade with NinjaTrader funds directly on TradingView's charts. If you run into any hiccups, double-check your login info or internet connection and don't stress. Sometimes these services just need a quick refresh. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out personally. And of course, subscribe if you want more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.